Alright everybody, so this is room 3129 at All-Star Sports, and I've stayed in this row before. This is what I call the swamp row. This is the furthest from the lobby you can get. It's a swamp view, and yeah, not even a courtyard, but here we go. This is an unrenovated room. So these are the old school rooms at All-Stars. I thought they had all been changed over, but apparently not, because here we are. So old school table and chairs here. The curtain, we got a border around the top with the sports. Close there for you. We come down. One small circular mirror. And then two doubles. The pull down is not here, and we still have, guess what, carpeting on the floor. They can vacuum. Singular nightstand in the middle with no real plugs to speak of. Probably a hidden plug back there. Cool goofy slam dunk poster though, why not? And the TV. Got the nice new TV. The fridge. 3 drawers there with these. They have these side rails. I never understood what they were for, but they've always been on these dressers. Here we go. By the way, it has a full curtain with Mickey and Pluto and the gang on it. And then the sink, single sink with a mirror, and the kind of closet wardrobe thing. Then finally, the old shower curtain bathroom. Don't get me wrong, shower curtain's cool. I like the characters on it. But, yeah. Old school lamp up there. So that's it. This is a non-renovated All-Star Sports room.